You did everything right. You built your body. You made money. You fixed your life. And still, she didn't want you. Meanwhile, another guy, no status, no money, has her completely obsessed. So what's the difference? Here's the truth no one tells you. Women don't get addicted to what you have. They get addicted to how you make them feel. And the more you try to prove your worth, the more you destroy your attraction. In this video, you'll understand why, and once you see it, you won't look at attraction the same way again. You've been sold a lie, a very convincing one, that if you build enough value, women will naturally be attracted to you. Get in shape, make money, improve your status, become high value, and she'll choose you. Sounds logical. Right. But here's the problem. If that were true, every successful man would have women obsessed with him, and every average man would be invisible. But that's not reality. You've seen it yourself. Men who have everything still get ignored, and men who have nothing somehow get chased. So what's going on? The truth is, attraction doesn't work like a checklist. Women are not calculating your worth on paper. They're reacting to something much deeper. Something instant. Something emotional. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The more you try to prove your value, the more you signal that you don't believe you have any. And that is where attraction dies. Most men are chasing attraction, but what they don't understand is attraction is weak. Attraction is easy to get and easy to lose. Addiction is different. Attraction is when she likes you. Addiction is when she can't stop thinking about you. Attraction is logical. Addiction is emotional. And emotions don't follow rules. They follow intensity. They follow contrast. This is why predictable men fail. If she knows exactly how you'll act, what you'll say, how available you are, there's no tension. No tension. No excitement. No excitement. No obsession. But when your energy isn't predictable, when you're present, then distant. Warm, then calm. Engaged, but never needy, you create something dangerous. A loop in her mind. She starts wondering, questioning, thinking about you when you're not there. And that's the moment everything shifts. Because she's no longer choosing you logically, she's feeling you emotionally. And once emotion takes over, logic doesn't matter anymore. Let's make this real. You're in a room with 10 people. One guy looks perfect on paper: money, body, status, everything. Another guy, average, nothing special. Now something happens. Someone makes a comment, and the average guy responds. No hesitation, no trying, just calm, sharp, effortless. People laugh. The energy shifts. And in that moment, every woman in the room feels it. Not his status, not his money, his presence. This is what most men miss. Attraction isn't built on what you have. It's built on how you carry yourself when nothing is being evaluated. Because women aren't measuring you logically. They're reading you emotionally. Your tone, your timing, your calmness under pressure. That's what creates impact. A man who is grounded, comfortable, unshaken will always outrank a man who is trying to prove himself. Because one is expressing value and the other is asking for it. This is where most men lose, without even realizing it. The moment you try to impress her, you've already lowered your value. Think about it. If you need her approval, her attention, her validation, you're telling her one thing: I'm not enough on my own. And once she feels that the dynamic is over, because attraction doesn't grow when a man is seeking approval. It grows when a man already approves of himself. This is the trap. You text too much. You explain too much. You try too hard to be liked. And every time you do that, you give away your power. Meanwhile, the man who says less, who doesn't chase, who isn't afraid to lose her, automatically feels higher value. Not because he's playing games, but because he doesn't need the outcome, and that changes everything. Because the moment she realizes she can't control how you feel, she starts trying to earn it. So, what actually creates addiction? Not looks, not money. It's three things most men ignore. First, uncertainty. If she can predict you, she stops feeling you. But when she doesn't fully know where she stands, her mind stays on you. Second, emotional spikes. Calm, all the time is safe, but it's forgettable. Attraction grows in contrast. Moments of tension, moments of connection, highs, and silence. That's what creates impact. Third, non-reactivity. This is the most powerful one. When you don't overreact, don't chase, don't get pulled into her emotional swings, you become unpredictable in the right way. Grounded. And that forces her to invest more. Because now, she can't read you easily. She can't control you. And the harder she tries to figure you out, the deeper she gets pulled in. That's the shift. She's no longer just attracted, she's emotionally involved. And once that happens, walking away becomes difficult. There's one type of man women can't resist, and at the same time, can't control. He doesn't chase. He doesn't beg for attention. He doesn't need constant reassurance. Not because he's cold, but because he's complete. He enjoys her presence, but he doesn't depend on it. He can walk away, and that's what makes him powerful. Because control only exists when someone needs something. The moment you don't need her to feel good about yourself, she loses leverage. And when she loses leverage, she starts leaning in, trying harder, investing more, not because you asked her to, but because she feels it. Your independence, your calm, your certainty. Most men try to hold on tighter when they feel her pulling away. But this man, he stays the same, unshaken. And that's what creates the shift. Because she realizes she can't control how you feel. And that's when she starts wanting to. Here's the truth most men aren't ready to hear. The goal was never to make her addicted to you. That's where you got it wrong. Because the moment you try to make someone feel something, you've already lost control of your own state. And that's the paradox. The more you chase addiction, the less attractive you become. But the moment you stop needing it, everything changes. Because now, you're not performing. You're not proving. You're not seeking approval. You're just being. And that's what creates real power. A man who is grounded, self-validated, at peace with himself doesn't need attention. And that's exactly why he gets it. So understand this, she doesn't get addicted to you because you tried to make it happen. She gets addicted because you became the kind of man who doesn't need her to stay. And once she feels that walking away from you becomes the hardest thing she can do. So in the end, it was never about chasing her. Never about proving your worth. Never about becoming good enough. Because the moment you try to be chosen, you've already lost your power. The men women get addicted to don't perform. Don't beg. Don't chase. They stand still. Grounded. Calm. Certain of who they are, with or without anyone watching. And that's the shift most men never make. They spend years building a life to be accepted, instead of becoming a man who doesn't need acceptance. So if there's one thing you take from this, stop trying to be attractive. Start becoming untouchable. Because when you no longer need her, that's when she starts needing you. If this changed the way you see attraction, comment control below. Subscribe to the channel if you're ready to master yourself, not chase validation. And share this with someone who's still trying too hard to be chosen. Because once you see this, you don't go back.